How to tag someone on Facebook reel after posting. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily tag someone on Facebook reels after posting it. So if you have also already posted your reels just like me, as you can see I've already posted my reel over here, and if I want to tag someone on this Facebook reel, then what I can do is just head over to your profile section just like this, and once you're inside your profile section, scroll down until you see your reel. So let me just refresh it. So as you can see, my reel has appeared over here. So now to edit or mention, add a mention or tag someone on this post is what you can do is just click on this three dot icon over here at the top right and just click on edit reel, and you can see there is an option to mention. When you click on that, just tap on this mention button over here and it will highlight all of your friends, list out all of your friends. You can also click on this highlight to get the tag all of the people from your friend list, but since I have only one friend, I'll just click on this and click on save, and you should have successfully tagged people on your Facebook reel after posting it. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.